Ever dreamed of backpacking through Southeast Asia? Imagined the thrill of exploring ancient temples, sampling exotic street food, or lounging on sun-kissed beaches? Well, the dream can become reality. This your ultimate guide to backpacking through Southeast Asia. But before we dive in, do us a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel guides. Now, on to the adventure. First off, planning is key. Decide on the countries you want to visit. Southeast Asia is home to 11 diverse nations, each with its unique culture and experiences. Whether it's the bustling cityscape of Singapore, the serene landscapes of Laos, or the pristine beaches of the Philippines, there are countless possibilities. Next, keep an eye on the weather. Southeast Asia has a tropical climate. The region generally experiences two seasons, a dry season and a monsoon season. The dry season typically runs from November to April, while the monsoon season sets in from May to October. However, the weather patterns can vary between countries, so do your research. Moving on, let's discuss budgeting. Southeast Asia is known for being budget-friendly, but costs can add up if you're not careful. Plan your daily budget. Include meals, accommodation, transportation, activities, and a little extra for unexpected expenses. Remember, street food is not only a cultural experience but also a budget saver. Now, on to packing. Travel light. The weather in Southeast Asia is predominantly warm and humid, so pack lightweight and breathable clothing. Don't forget, if you're finding this information useful, hit that like button below and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips. Now, where were we? Yes, a good pair of walking shoes is essential for all the exploring. Also, consider packing a raincoat or umbrella, particularly if you're traveling during the monsoon season. Safety and health are paramount. Before you depart, check the travel advisories for the countries you plan to visit. Get the necessary vaccinations and pack a basic first aid kit. Stay hydrated and protect yourself from the sun. Lastly, respect the local culture. Southeast Asia is rich in traditions and customs. Research about local etiquette and cultural norms. Dress modestly when visiting religious sites. Learn a few phrases in the local language. It's not only respectful but can also enhance your travel experience. So, to recap, plan your trip well, taking into account the countries you want to visit and the weather patterns. Budget wisely and pack light, but don't compromise on health and safety. And above all, respect the local culture. Backpacking through Southeast Asia is an adventure of a lifetime. With the right preparation, you can explore this vibrant region with ease, immersing yourself in its rich cultures, stunning landscapes, unforgettable experiences. So, gear up for the journey of a lifetime. The wonders of Southeast Asia await you. And before we end this video, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like. And if you want to keep up with more guides and tips, hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us create more content for you. Thanks for watching.